Alrighty, so today we're going to try out the Unger Easyglide glass cleaner. Professional window cleaning formula for streak-free results. So this only makes 25 gallons. The directions are mix 4 capfuls with 1 gallon of water. Never use undiluted. Contains water, amine oxide, ethoxylated alcohol, blah 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 blah. Let's see. So my bucket here. My bucket I got about 1.5 gallons. So we'll do, they say mix 4 capsules, so we'll do 6 capfuls. And a little bit for my homies. Oh yeah. Alright, so usually I just try it down, but we'll try this out and see if it gets foamy. I think I'm going to try it at home before I take it off to work, because I'm going to clean some windows that are like directly in the sun. So I always get kind of worried with that, if it will be good or not. So let's try it at home real quick and see how it works. Pop this screen off. First impression. Yeah, it is not foamy, but it's technically what you want. You don't want it to be crazy foamy. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. That was very easy glide, and that's what they say. Huh. I mean, that glided easy. A little more foam there. These are pretty clean windows though. It's my home. Of course they're going to be clean. Let's try that again. So Mike Nichols, very funny man. I made that video about the Home Depot tools, and then he said that the Unger soap is one of his favorite things. So I said, well, why not give it a try? I never gave it a try before. And that is actually the most impressed I've been with something right at first. But let's go take some footage at a job and really see how I like it there, because that's the huge thing. And sometimes what matters more is almost how it gets a lot more foamy now. Oh, it's really good. And this is a really clean, fresh mop. It has no Dawn soap in it. This is what I do at home, guys. I just sit here and clean my windows all the time. Because you want it, you actually don't want, you know, a lot of us have got into this really foamy look of cleaning windows. It's actually not what you want. The more soap you use, the more residue you're leaving on the glass. And that's why, like, water-fed pole is so great, because the water-fed pole, you don't have that. So I'll put the screen back and we'll go start at our job this morning and see how it goes. So I think first impressions of the Unger Easyglide is that I had to add more for glide, and then I'm going to try on this job to add some Dawn soap. Are you laughing at me?
Yes. This is Halloween. This is Halloween.
Don't do it. I don't know. Overall, I think the soap is good, but I had to add Dawn to it because it just was not, it just didn't have the slip and didn't cut through the grease enough that I really enjoyed it, you know? So I think it's more of a mental thing, to be honest with you. I just like the suds. It makes the squeegee glide just so much nicer, but it's hard to get away from that. But what I did notice, kind of pros and cons of it, was that it was helpful with fingerprints. So we're at this house right now where we just swipe these screens down. They wash most of their own screens except for the ones that sit outside. Sometimes I feel like with screen cleaning that it doesn't really do a whole lot. Even with the screen cleaners that are out there, I don't feel like they really achieve much. I gotta walk that. Not very fun. This house, we clean a lot. So really the windows are not very dirty. So we've been using the Unger Easyglide for like, I would say 5 to 6 work days now. And I would say the pros of it is a good fragrance to it. Cleans up fingerprints really, really easy. I definitely had, we both had, me and Alex and I had to add Dawn soap for extra glide. There wasn't enough suds there or glide to it. When I first tried it at home, it was good because the windows were really clean already. But for commercial glass it's dirty. It might be more of a mental thing, but I like to have some suds there to make it feel right as far as slip on the glass. But at first we thought that we were kind of like almost getting a headache from the fragrance, so we put a little bit less in. I got to the point where I was just kind of pouring it in a little bit. The container that we got fills up 25 gallons worth of mixture, so if it was for your home or something like that, it would actually be really good, I think, for homeowners. And you can get them at Home Depot, and you can also get a larger, I think 1 gallon of it for about $20. But overall, pretty happy with it, and I think we'll keep on using it as like an extra additive.
Too strong.
I did, yeah. And I got it in my eyes the first day when I just had that, and that burned, so don't put it in your eyes. But overall, for something that you can easily buy at Home Depot, or I'm guessing Lowe's as well, it's a great product, and I think it's better to me than GG4, because GG4, when you mix that with Dawn soap, you get kind of, if you create any streaks, you get this cloudy blue look to those streaks. This did not do any of that. Did not make the water cloudy or anything like that. Overall, it really didn't create any issues except for not sudsing. But I would be careful about it. I think there's ammonia in it. I'd be careful with using that on tint. But other than that, I think it really, really worked well. So if you guys want to give it a try, I would definitely do it. You can find it at, I think, your local department store or probably on Amazon. I don't know if Window Clean Resource has it, but if they do, I'll put a link to it here in the bottom of the description. But hope you guys enjoyed this review, and that's it, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Goodbye.